Goshka, let's talk about investment advisors. We've seen a lot of stress in the financial system since 2008. How is the relationship between clients and advisors going these days? Are clients and advisors closer together or further apart?
I think that anecdotally you could make a case that some advisors were able to strengthen the relationships at a time when clearly many investors were under duress and needed advice. And some advisors maybe failed to do so. But overall, it is our view that, there has been a strong connection, that continues to be a strong connection between advisors and their investors, particularly in the face of the increasing complexity of the investor needs going into the retirement phase.
That's interesting. So we've come through a stressful time, and you're telling me that advisors and clients there hasn't been sort of a dissatisfaction with advisors. So that tells me that there must be some good advice being given out there.
I believe there is. I think that anecdotally there has been some disappointment generally with the value of advice, but I think specifically we have heard from many advisors that their relationships have survived well. But what I think more importantly is going forward, I wonder whether investment advice is going to be sufficient to be successful for the advisors going forward, because I think that demands of the households are going to increase to include a lot of different aspects of financial advice.
That's interesting. Now, it sounds to me like you're alluding to financial planning as well as portfolio building. What's the trend in terms of providing financial planning in addition to portfolio building in the advice side of things?
I think that on the financial advisor channel, where the MFDA firms live, a lot of insurance-based advisors, I think the financial planning is becoming more entrenched, and many firms and advisors build their value added around the proposition of financial advice. I think it's also beginning to make inroads in the full-service brokerage channel.
That's great. So the advice to clients is ask your advisor to give you some financial planning as well as some mutual funds, right?
Yes. We talk about the idea of holistic financial advice. So planning, insurance needs, estate planning, really place those ideas in front of your advisor.
Great. Thanks, Goshka.
Thank you very much.